How does a SIOS ARK handle the requirement for application awareness?
So SIOS understands each application is unique. It has its own set of requirements, its own set of dependencies, its own set of best practices that govern high availability and higher availability environments, and that are needed to be adhered to in order for customers, clients, partners, end users to experience the optimal availability for enterprises to meet their SLAs with RTO and RPO. And so SIOS takes that knowledge and we put it into a framework that we call an application recovery kit or module. And these application recovery kits have a deep sense of each individual application's best practices. It has an awareness of the in-depth working of the application, an understanding of how clients use and interact with that, and it's backed with expertise. And then it's honed by industry best practices, actual customer data and use cases, and a rigorous engineering process. SIOS's unique approach bridges the gap between other hardware or virtual machine-based monitoring solutions with the perspective of an all-inclusive solution that not only monitors the servers, physical, virtual, cloud, or hybrid, but also the applications that are running within those servers. So whether it's Postgres SQL and knowing that a transient connection should just be retried rather than the whole application infrastructure restarted, or whether it's SAP HANA, understanding the critical importance of the order of operations when you're trying to perform a failover or switchover or SR takeover, or whether it's with respect to SAP ASCS and ERS, understanding that those two components have affinity and anti-affinity issues that need to be taken into account, or if it's the complexities of an Oracle solution. SIOS's application recovery kits are built to understand application awareness at its core, and then it's built to make sure that customers are able to deploy a solution with full stack awareness from the first point of your customer's experience all the way through to the last bit being written to disk and replicated to a target server. SIOS has built into it the knowledge that customers need to make their enterprise highly available.